Okay, I got a quick update for my Ikea Milsbo greenhouse conversion. I mostly grow carnivorous plants in here. And this is the whole setup here. There's top floor, or shelf. So second shelf, my Nepenthes. And the bottom, I got orchids and some sphagnum moss growing. So up here on the top shelf, I'm gonna open this up. Got these LED lights up here. Yescom's 225s, white, and a couple of fans. These are great USB fans. Fairly cheap, does the job, and you can vary the speeds on those. And here I got my Pinecone.Jeff.Carnivores from California.Carnivores, and other sundews from all over the place. And this guy here is just something that started growing in the Nepenthes tray. So I finally pulled him out into its own pot. And over here I've got a couple of Venus flytrap cuttings that are starting to go. I don't know if I can even focus that. On the second shelf, I've got these Barinas, T5s, and also a couple of fans up here. And these are all my Nepenthes. And all of the Nepenthes came from California.Carnivores. The most recent one is this jam band back here. I've got a tiny Hamada Tembusi right down the I don't even know how to pronounce that. And I got a couple of cephalotus up here. And down below is where my humidifier is, and my heater. It's a reptile heater. And the humidifier I fill about once a week. I got a ventricosa down here. Starting to lose some of its pictures. Got some new pictures there. And then my Phalaenopsis. And I'm hoping my sphagnum moss takes off. And I got these USB thermometer and hygrometers on every shelf level. Let's see, where's the other one? It's back there. And one of the cool things about these Govee hygrometers and thermometers is that in their app you can track daily, weekly, what your max and min temperature and humidity levels are. So you can keep a record and track how well how humidity is being maintained, temperature is being maintained in your cabinet. So they're a fantastic little tool to have, so you can understand what is going on in your grow space. And the average nighttime humidity is around 90 to 95%, and in the daytime it drops down to about 70 to 75% on average. And you can find that out through the app, through the Govee app, and track what those min-maxes are for both the temperature and humidity. So it's really great to see how well your grow space is handling temperature and humidity. And then up top, I've got my temperature control. Daytime temp is set to 80 degrees, and nighttime temp is set to 60 degrees, and it drops down to about 65 naturally on its own. And my dog likes to look at him too. What's up, Koa?